In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable manual offline payments in Hosting a Website Builder. If you want to give your customers another way to pay outside of online payment gateways, this option can be very useful. Manual offline payments are great for methods like bank transfers, cash on delivery, or any custom payment process you want to handle directly. The setup is simple. And in this video, I'll walk you through exactly where to find the option and how to turn it on properly. To get started, first open your Hostinger account and sign in. Once you're inside your dashboard, look for your website and open the section where your website projects are listed. From there, click on Website so you can access the site connected to your online store. After that, find and click Manage Store. This is where you control your store settings, products, orders, and payment options. If you're managing an online shop, this is the main area where most of your store configuration will happen. Once you're inside the store management area, click on Settings. The Settings section contains all the important store preferences, including shipping, checkout, and payment methods. Since we want to enable offline payments, the next thing you need to do is open payments. Inside the Payments section, you'll see the available payment methods for your store. Here, locate the Manual Payment option and click Add. This is the setting that lets you create a payment method that customers can use without paying directly online during checkout. Now, simply fill in the necessary details manually. This part is important because the information you enter here is what your customers will see when they choose this payment method. Make sure the payment name is clear and easy to understand. You should also include clear instructions so customers know exactly what to do after placing their order. For example, if they need to complete payment separately, your instructions should explain that process in a simple and direct way. Keep your wording short, clear, and professional, so there's no confusion at checkout. Once you've entered all the required information, click Save. That's it. Your manual offline payment option is now enabled in your Hosting a Website Builder store. A good final tip is to review the checkout experience afterward to make sure everything appears the way you want. That helps you confirm the payment method name, and instructions are easy for customers to follow. With that done, your store is ready to accept manual offline payments.